Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Spiritual Guru box for June. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so June's box just arrived and last month's box was amazing. So I cannot wait to dive in and see what this month brings us. So while I get my knife and cut the tape, I will let you know a little bit about them. Spiritual Guru box is regularly priced at $49.95, and if you use my code CRAFTY19, you get 25% off. So that is amazing. You get 25% off. It's a lifestyle box, typically valued at $100 or more, 5 to 7 inspired products in each box. And the types of items that you will get is spiritual or growth tools, high vibration, crystal stones, essential oil spray or roll-on, candles, boho jewelry, mala beads. You'll get an assortment of really cool things. And again, last month's was so cool. I can't wait. So let's go ahead and get into this month's. And there's their sticker and it says sending good vibes. Always, you guys. Let's cut this, get into here, and that's what you see. So, in last month, what I found out is that they put in a card picked just for you. So you're always gonna find a cool new card. Ooh, look how pretty that is. That is very pretty. And this is Sisterhood of the Rose. And let's see here. You know what? I have this complete set. I'm like, that is so pretty. And I'm like, it kind of looks familiar, but I haven't had a chance to go through all of my Oracle cards, but it shows Work Your Light Oracle cards. And it shows that picture right there. And that is one of the decks that I had purchased. That's awesome. So your Oracle cards was intuitively pulled and placed in your box just for you. Each box contains a different card. Each card holds a special message. If the card resonates with you, wonderful. If it does not, it might be meant for another person in your life. Take a moment, tune into your intuition, see what comes to mind. And this is a fun way to practice your intuitive skills. So that is really cool. And I love the fact that this is the one that I have. So this month's theme is love, and I love their colors. I just love all of the bright, bold colors. I mean, everything, like how their logo, I just love it. Okay, so in the back of here is gonna go over all of the items. This month's box is total valued at $133. I love that they do that because then I don't have to add it up at the end of the movie. At the end of the video, it is valued at $133 and it tells you up front, and I really do appreciate that. So let's go ahead and dive in here and see. Right on top, one thing that I see is a candle, and I actually have last month's burning currently, and my house is smelling so amazing right now. You don't even know. So that's cool. We got another one, and this one, look, it's love. What's love got to do with it? Let's get in here, you guys. Oh my gosh, that is a completely different scent. That smells so good. This is the love candle. So this month's candle is infused with natural essential oils, including orange and grapefruit. So that is a citrusy, nice smell that I'm smelling. It starts with the top notes of apple, luscious peach, and ripe grapefruit that give away the beautiful middle tones of cherry blossom and hydrangea. This is valued at $23. And they also give you a card just for the candles. And so inside their candles, they actually put different stones or crystals into each one before they pour them. So once you burn to the bottom, burn baby, burn, you get to use this little chart here to see which stone you have. I'm still waiting to get to my stone on my other one. Like I said, it is literally burning right now. And this smells so good. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. So I can't wait to now I have another one on deck. So once that one's done, I will start burning the love. And again, see, they're beautiful colors. I just love this company and all their colors and so bright. And I love it. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what is in this little bag. Ooh, and here is a bracelet. That is so pretty. Look at the peaches and the grays and the ivories. That is just so pretty. Let's put that on. And it says pink zebra bracelet. This pink zebra bracelet is the perfect complement to the necklace. Oh, there's a spoiler. It is calming and soothing stone, which is very helpful in overcoming stress or anxiety. That's awesome. It also aids with spiritual awareness when working with earth, nature, or the universal energy, valued at $20. And that is just so pretty. You guys, I love those colors. That's really pretty. So let's go ahead and fill, this must be the necklace. Woo, this necklace is valued at $60, you guys. Whoa, it keeps on coming. Whoa. Look at this. This thing is long. Look at that. Look at the bottom of it. And this big old stone right here. And it looks just like the bracelet. All the same, are the same as that. Look, exactly the same. So here is a really long necklace valued at $60. That is crazy. Pink zebra necklace with rose quartz. I was thinking that was rose quartz. Pink zebra is a nurturing and a grounding stone, which helps one tune into Mother Nature and positive vibrations which surround you. It also balances heart energy, which can help with emotional healing. Paired with rose quartz, it's a perfect combination when working with love energy. So that is awesome. So we have 2 items right here with the candle, definitely way over the cost of the box. Here's another, this one's more of a velvety pouch. This one is a rose quartz shaped like a heart. That is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I love, no pun intended, I love that. This is valued at $20. The rose quartz is pure stone of love. Its energy envelops you with love and its soothing vibrations. It links one's personal heart to the heart of Mother Nature and divine and the universe. That is just simply beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love that. Again, that's valued at $20. And then the last item in here, you guys, this says wisdom from the 4 agreements. So there is the front and then the back. And it says, this mini gift book, it's his best-selling original book to present a condensed version of the 4 agreements by Don Miguel Reyes. Tuck it in your purse, briefcase, or desk drawer for inspiration on the go or at work. Comes with a 24 karat gold plated charm on its ribbon bookmark. Ooh, that must be what that is. 24 karat gold ribbon bookmark. This is valued at $10, you guys. And there's a little to and from. And they're pretty much all like colored pages. So I can't wait to read this. I can't wait to read this. And the bookmark is on a little green ribbon, and then it has that little leaf. That is so pretty. I can't wait to read this and see what this is about. And it is perfect to toss wherever, but I'm going to put this on my bedside and I'm going to read this. So again, you guys, we have this amazing necklace with a matching bracelet. Normally we get one or the other, but not both, and they match. So that is awesome. We have this really cool book to read. We have the rose quartz shaped like a heart. And this is a big size. And then we have one of their amazing candles that smells so, so good. So definitely, you guys, comment down below. What do you think? I still love this box. I think they hit it out of the park yet again. Last month was amazing. If you want to check that out, it'll be right here. And again, this is all valued at $133. So I'm so glad they put it all in a theme. Everything kind of coincides and works together. And I love the fact that they do that. So I can't wait to burn this It smells so good. So that is everything that I have for you guys today. Again, comment down below. Let me know. Your positive interaction means the world. If you're not already, I'd greatly appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button and join the fun and you could see my videos. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours and I will see you on the next one. Bye.